Hello, today I introduce thermite welding. Number first, what is thermite welding? Second, principle of operation thermite welding. Advantage and disadvantage of thermite welding. Application of thermite welding. And this figure, number first, this area is mold, then thermite weld. This red area are thermite welding, and upper area is slag, and this process produce temperature 3100 degree centigrade, and this area is melt thermal pouring door, and this is workpiece, bed rail also. Then I introduce number first, what is thermite welding. In this process, superheated molten steel is poured all around the place where the joint is to be made. So the surface of the metal melt and fuse into each other. By making a suitable gap between the surface to be joined, a thermite mixture is filled and is ignited after mixing with magnesium aluminium oxide scrap. The result is a super tight and solid joint. This type of welding is used in steel mill and manufacturing, railway and ship etc. And second, principle of operation thermite welding. In thermite welding operation, a mixture of powder aluminum and iron oxide is called thermite welding and placed in a container. Since aluminum has a gather greater chemical often for oxygen than iron. When the thermite mixture is ignite the aluminum, take the oxygen of iron oxide to form aluminum oxide and leave the iron as free metal. The reaction release so much heat as to produce a temperature of 3100 degree centigrade. Iron is heavier than aluminum oxide. It settled down and the aluminum oxide float over the surface. This molten iron is then made of flow into the cavity of joint to form the belt. And number third advantage and disadvantage of thermite welding. The cost of operation is low since heat needed for molding comes from a chemical reaction. The broken part can be welded on the sheet itself because no heavy equipment is to be carried to generate electricity. However, the process is limited to welding of furnace metal only. It is used to join heavy steel structure. Thank you.